The earthquake drill. If you are inside a building, execute drop, cover and hold, then evacuate safely. Drop, cover, and hold on. Drop, cover, and hold on are actions to perform to protect people's lives and prevent injuries caused by falling furniture and flying objects that can become projectiles during an earthquake. Dropping on the floor is done to prevent falling and making yourself a small target of flying objects. Stay away from glass windows and heavy furniture or appliances that may splinter or fall. Cover is done to protect the head, neck, and chest with your hands and arms and by going under a sturdy table or furniture. Hold on means to stay where you find cover until the shaking stops. Evacuation. When the shaking has stopped, take some seconds to look around. Take note of the damage and dangers around you. Check if anyone around is injured. If immediate help can be given to those with injuries, to stop serious bleeding or put out a small fire, do so. Those who are seriously injured that cannot be moved due to the possibility of aggravating the injury should be reassured to wait for treatment where they are, unless it is more dangerous to remain. Upon exiting the building, use the suggested routes on your evacuation map or alternate route if yours is blocked or unsafe. Always remember that everyone should stay together and to quickly and quietly evacuate. Once outside, move directly away from the building towards an evacuation area with your head covered with your hands or anything that could protect it from falling debris. Stay away from damaged structures. Reach out for needed help, especially for the injured ones. Stay in the evacuation area until emergency personnel will declare that it is safe for everyone to go back into the building. Possible scenarios following an earthquake: aftershocks, tsunami, or fire. Aftershocks. Once the quake stops, do not immediately go back into the building. Aftershocks are expected to happen and you must wait until the building is declared to be safe before going back in. Fire. Tsunami. Check for news updates. If tsunami warnings are given, go to higher grounds. Why and how earthquakes happen. Earthquakes happen when two blocks of earth slip past each other. The slip releases energy in waves that passes through the earth's crust and causes the shaking that we experience. Big bad quakes happen at the faults where large tectonic plates of rocks slip past each other. Among the known large faults is the one that traverses Metro Manila from Rizal to Laguna. It is known as the West Valley Fault. Marikina, Quezon City, Makati, Parañaque, Taguig, and Muntinlupa will be among the Metro Manila cities that will suffer greatly when this fault moves. It is anticipated as the big one. According to PHIVOLCS and DOST, this fault moves every 300 to 400 years, and the last time it did was 350 years ago. The big one could very well happen within your lifetime. Its inevitability and unpredictability makes this campaign for readiness necessary. What to do in the event of an earthquake? If you are outside, stay away from trees, this could fall, and stay away from structures, this could collapse. If you are in a car, stop and stay inside the car. If you are inside the building, execute drop, cover and hold, then evacuate safely. The imperative: be prepared. But what do we need to prepare? First, you must have an evacuation plan at home or in the workplace. Orient your family on how to get in touch with each other in the event of an earthquake, and determine your meeting place after the earthquake. Participate in the nationwide or barangay-level earthquake drills. Prepare emergency kits packed with medical first aid materials and foodstuff, which will be needed in the event of a destructive earthquake.